In today's video, we will learn how to implement storage state authentication in Playwright. Instead of logging in before every test execution, we will log in once, save the authenticated session, and reuse it across all test cases. In enterprise applications, we usually have multiple user roles such as admin, customer, manager, and support users. If every test case starts with a login step, execution time increases significantly. Imagine 500 test cases, each spending 5 to 10 seconds on login. To avoid this repetitive activity, Playwright provides storage state, which allows us to authenticate once, save the session, and reuse it across all test executions. Let's see how we can implement this in Playwright using source demo. Now we have authentication.setup file where we first of all we navigate to application using this goto function, and then we perform login like fill username and fill password, and then verify successful login using wait for URL, and then save cookies and session information. Now browser is opening, login and successful login execution. After successful login, Playwright stores authentication information in user.json. This file contains cookies and session related data that can be reused later. Now we have inventory file where the particular code storage state is mentioned. Instead of logging in again, we load the previously saved authentication state. Now browser directly opens product page, no login is required. In the next video, we will learn how to design a Playwright framework using page object model and industry best practices.